Hi everyone, my name is Parag Pal and welcome back in new video. Guys, in this particular video, I am going to demonstrate to you how to prepare the project management Gantt chart and schedule for any sort of project. Today I am going to demonstrate to you this particular project Gantt chart or schedule preparation for the highway project. And this particular Excel sheet is very useful for all of you because most of the people are not aware about the software like Microsoft Project and Primavera. There's a lots of online tool also available nowadays, but still most of the people wants to implement the Excel on their own side due to the some budget issue. So in this particular video, you will get to know how to prepare the project schedule within the start and finish date and how to monitor the progress with respect to the percentage. Okay, and how to check whether it is completed or not. Also, you can see the daily basis activity which should be highlighted. Okay, and that all the data I am going to demonstrate you in this particular video. So it is my humble request, watch the video till end and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, here the project title you need to provide. So let's put one project title like highway design. Okay, at let me put my city name Nagpur. Okay, here the project manager name, let me put my name. Just wait a minute. Okay, you can put the project manager name over here. Okay, Parag Pal. Okay, if you want to add more thing in this, you can add more thing in that. Okay, there is no issue with this. I'm going to develop this particular Excel sheet for certain extent so you can use for your day-to-day planning activity. So first of all, you need to provide what is your project start date. Let's consider your project start date is approximately start from 6th June. Okay, so I have put my duration over here as 6th June 2020. Okay, so this is one month, second one is a date, and third one is a your year. You can change this one also. Okay, right clicking on format cell, you can change. Now, first of all, if I'm talking about highway design, okay, or highway construction activity, so what I have to do, I have to first select the task. Okay, so here, first of all, my task is highway designing. Okay, highway design. Okay, that's it. Now, this is particular my main WBS activity. In the software like MSP and Primavera, everything is based upon the WBS. So no worry about it. Okay, just click here and insert one column and you can simply create the WBS over here. Just click one. Okay, so you can manage your overall WBS here also. You can add here at this side also, no issue. Now my first activity is like clearing, okay, clearing the sub surface, okay, surface surface tree, okay, tree and other stuff, okay, right? So this is what my first task what I have created here like this. Okay, this is what my first task. Now this is my first WBS and in that this is 1.1 is my first activity. Now to whom I have need to assign, you need to create the resource allocations here also, like you need to assign to one engineer, okay, right? You need to assign to the like other stuff, whatever the resources you want to use, so you can put over here. So here I'm going to provide a engineer, laborers, okay, and the machineries. Now progress, it will calculate it based upon your input, like what is the progress based upon your DPR you can calculate. What will be the start date? Let me put the start date as a 01/06/20. It means 6/1/20 is my start date, okay, or I can consider the start date of the project, okay, and it will end this plus after 6 days. So you can see there is one highlight will reflect over here. Okay. Now, after that, let me provide my other task. After clearing all stuff, okay, I'll considering the excavation, okay, excavation of chainage 1 plus 500 kilometer. Okay, it means I'm going to, okay, let me put 0 plus 500 okay, meter. Okay, like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to excavate the 500-meter area. Okay, that is my second task, which come under 1.2. If you need to add some more detail over here, like if you want to add for this particular chain some area, just right click, okay, and insert. So you can put one over here, that the chainage 0 plus 500. Okay, and in that you can put it is 1.1 and it become 1.1.1 and this become 1.1.2, like that. Yes, I can understand this is one critical task for all the people who usually prepare the who use the MSP software, but this is for the people who don't know MSP and all. So you can simply use this task. Now here I need to assign the engineer, labor, just wait a minute. Okay, engineer, labor, okay, engineer, labors, okay, then machineries, okay, machineries, okay, like that. After that, here you need to provide the percentage as a 0 as on start, and this activity will start as this activity end, and it will take almost 5 days. Okay, you can see this kind of the linkages are created over here. After that, when my excavation will done, I'll start compacting the natural subgrade. Okay, and it will be my task 1.1.3. Same particular people I required, zero activity as on date. Okay, and this activity will start as this activity will end. Okay, so here I required only 3 days. Now after that, when I compact the natural subgrade, I'll provide, okay, or we can say laying, okay, okay, laying the granular subbed, we used to call GSB, okay. It is a task of 1.1.4. Same people will be required, okay, 0%, okay. This task will start after this and it will take only 2 days, okay. Then after that, laying, okay, laying WMM, okay, 1.1.5, control C, control V, 0%. This activity will start after this plus 1 day and it will take to complete 4 days. Okay. Now after that, laying, laying DBM, okay, dense bound macadam. Okay. So it will start, okay, 1.1.6. Same people are required. I'm going to modify this Excel sheet in few days. This activity will start after 3 days by laying the WMM, okay, and it will complete by 3 days. Okay, you can see the gap differences over here. Now after that, I'll provide codes, okay, and that code come under when I provide the laying bituminous course like top layer. Okay, so 1.1.7. Okay, same people have required, but the cost will be different. You can add the cost component here also. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate you in few more scenarios to check the cost components, right? So you can see the progress 0 over here, and this activity will start after 4 days, okay, and it will end in within 2 days, right? So like this, what I have prepared. If intermediate structure component is there like culvert, okay, VUP, PUP and any other stuff, you can provide like that. Now if I want to start my progress, let's consider my progress is started. Now here I have completed 100% work as on date, like presently we are at 8th of June. Okay, so definitely without this task this activity will not going to start. So let's consider it is 100% completed. When you click on 100%, it will reflect this sort of color. Now this excavation definitely almost I consider 95% completed. So you can see this is 95% completion I got here over here. Now most of the time let's consider we have started the compaction of this the natural subgrade. So along with this I can put that 30% were also completed here. So you can see this kind of work I can monitor. Okay. So like this you can put the percentage completion over here and you will get the proper output. So today video I just explained you how to prepare the Gantt chart using this Excel sheet. In coming video, I'll definitely provide you more definitions and more advanced level inputs for the project management. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.